real baby.
No kidding. That was my last question. So you just knocked it out.
Yeah, really, and it sounds better.
What were your first impressions when you first saw this guitar?
Come on, it's like probably the first time in my life that somebody handed me something. Chip Ellis handed me a guitar that just freaking blew my mind. Yeah, it sounds better than the original. It feels better, and the cat just blew my fucking mind.
So maybe people can look forward to seeing you play the replica.
Oh, yeah. Come on, I even got the ashes and cigarette burns, you know? It's like, the cat's insane.
My favorite part is how they all have a 1971 quarter.
Yeah, I'm just saying it's got the extra hole.
Right.
Because it used to be
Right.
shifted over to put underneath here. And then I just filled another hole because I didn't need it anymore. But
So this is going to be
he nailed everything.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It is. It's crazy.
And the writing on
Look what I wrote.
the writing on it.
It's a shit.
It sounds